Without further ado, we are now going to go in our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about the Kizer Sparrow. So this is a new knife that came in a couple weeks ago when the task came in. So what you have here is you have a CPM S35 VN blade, full titanium hardware, scales, excuse me, titanium, milled titanium pocket clip. I love how they milled out the relief for this frame lock. So it is a frame lock with a flipper, and it has the hole. You can use the hole too. I can't do that one sometimes. Just super elegant. I love that they even included the little spacer for when you switch the pocket clip. And just super fidgety. It's on ball bearings and it just opens super beautifully.
What was the steel on that? Did you
S35 VN.
Right on.
Yeah.
Stonewash finish, it looks
Stonewash, yeah. And then you see the logo of the company that designed it, Sparrow. Blackbird blades. Cool little logo on there. Really elegant looking little Warncliffe. So we thought we'd talk about it today.
Right on. All right, y'all. Appreciate you watching. As always, make sure you're liking, subscribing, hitting all those buttons, interacting with us, especially if you guys want to leave some comments, talk to us, let us know. Have a great weekend. Beautiful weather, it looks like again, we're hoping for. So if it's in your area, enjoy it. Get out there, put some fresh air in your lungs. We'll wrap it up here, y'all. See you next week. Peace.